Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Nationstar Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Nationstar Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in mrcooper.com and make a search. The official page of Nationstar Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Nationstar Mortgage account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot your username or Forgot your password. This is how you can log into your Nationstar Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.